So if you're on LinkedIn, you need to know about this ad tool called Career Flow. So what it basically does is it would optimize your complete LinkedIn profile using AI. Because it uses AI, that is the best part of it because you would save time and your profile would get as perfect as it could get. So without wasting any time, I'll just show you how to work. So you have to go on Google and type Career Flow and download the first thing that comes up. You want to tap here and download the Chrome extension. So once you have downloaded the extension, you have to come onto your LinkedIn profile and something of this sort would show onto the right side of your screen. So you have to tap on this and it would actually show you a whole bunch of stuff that you have to update, or for example in my case, the experience and the education is not updated. So basically what it does is it uses AI to optimize each and every part of your LinkedIn profile. For example, profile photo, and in my case it is good. So the banner is okay, everything is okay except the experience and education. So for example, if I go on to my experience, I should go here, and so it basically took me directly to the experience tab, and it is basically so efficient, and it would actually transfer you to the certain area of your profile which you have to update, and then what you can do is manually update your information, whatever it is. So let's do one more thing, education, and if I tap edit now, it would take me to the education tab so that it gets really easy for me to update that thing. And I hope this video would have helped you update your LinkedIn profile much more faster and efficiently. So this was a quick video on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, and I'll see you in the next one.